Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be frying some shark fish. All right, so let's get right into the kitchen and get this fish going. It is so tasty and nice and simple and easy to put together. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Don't you forget also to share, like, and comment. So, of course, you know I had to wash my fish with lime and salt or even lemon and pepper. Wash it thoroughly, pat dry it, and now we are going to prepare our seasonings to go on this fish. I have some homemade green seasonings here, and it has a lot of ginger, onion, garlic, pepper. I'm going to leave the link below for this seasoning. Here I have some parsley, garlic, Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning, complete seasoning, and I also have some paprika. I'm going to mix it up together, making sure that everything is well incorporated, and I'm going to throw all of it onto this fish. Remember, my green seasonings has a lot of onion, garlic, pepper, and ginger. I'm also using some mustard, and I love mustard. It tenderizes your meat, the fish, whatever. And if you notice, I haven't used any salt because everything here almost have enough salt in it. I'm going to set it aside for about an hour and let it sit to marinate. Now into a plate, I'm going to add some white flour. And into this flour, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley flake, just a little touch, use a discretion of black pepper, some paprika. I'm going to use some garlic powder. Here I'm going to also be using some Old Bay seasoning, along with some complete seasoning. That's all you want. If you want, you can add, any more seasoning of your choice. Mix it thoroughly, and then we're going to just make sure that we coat it very well with the flour. At this time, my oil is on the fire, guys. You want their oil to be very hot, because this fish do not take long to cook. It's a shark. And you can use almost any type of fish that you want. Season it well and just place it into the frying pan. It doesn't take long to cook. You just have to keep looking at it. You cook it until it gets brown. Then you just flip it over. Frying time is just about 5 minutes on each side. Trust me. Flip it over and let it get brown. Once it gets brown, over on the other side, we are going to go ahead and we are going to remove it, place it into a plate with paper towel just so that we can get that excess oil out from the fish. Once this is done, ta-la! Our fried fish is ready. I served it with some chickpeas and some steamed spinach, because after a hard week's work, I was like, you know what? I need to eat healthy, guys. And there you have it. It's just quick and easy to put together. The only thing is marinating your fish. And then I did add some ketchup and some mayonnaise and make a sauce. Simple, easy, and nice. I did garnish with some chive and some flavored pepper. And lunch is being served, guys. I feel so satisfied. I've decided to stay home today after hard week's work, and there we have it. So I must bring this to you guys. Give it a try. Simple and easy and very satisfying, guys. So don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Also leave me a beautiful comment and stay with me for many more simple, easy recipes.